Hello everybody and welcome back to The Rich Life. Last winter, I told you how much I love making homemade body products, and I made my whipped body butter here on the show, and people really love that. But today we're going to focus on exfoliating using DIY homemade scrubs. We're going to make a sugar scrub, which is really simple, and a salt scrub, which is super simple too. The biggest difference between a salt scrub and a sugar scrub is honestly just one simple thing. You cannot use salt scrubs on your face. You don't want to do that, trust me. And you don't want to use salt scrubs on sensitive skin or irritated areas, like maybe if you just shaved your legs. You don't want to use salt scrub there. But sugar scrubs you can use all over your body, including your face. So I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorites of each today using some really simple ingredients that you can find right at the grocery store. So we're going to start today with the salt scrub. Now, whether you're making a salt scrub or a sugar scrub, the ratios will be the same. 2 parts salt or sugar to 1 part oil. Today, I'm using a mix that I bought, although you can make your own. This has Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, evaporated sea salt, and mineral salt. So I've got all my salts covered. And I'm also using grapeseed oil. I had this around at the house, but you can use any other oil you like. And then last but not least, you need your essential oils. I'm using a mix of peppermint and rosemary, very soothing, especially for those extra dry areas on your body like your feet. Ladies, we all know we need to get ready for the summer, sandal ready, so this is a great scrub for that. So what I'm gonna do now is just mix everything together and that's it. Store it in an airtight container and there you go, your scrub is all done. So now it's time to make our sugar scrub. Now remember, the process is exactly the same for a sugar scrub or a salt scrub, and the ratios are the same too when you're just making a basic scrub. But you know I like to keep it a little fancy, so I'm making a whipped sugar scrub today. So I have my sugar, but I also have my solid form coconut oil. Now normally if you're making a basic sugar scrub, this will be melted down to an oil. You can use a stove like I do or the microwave, it's totally up to you. And then for my essential oil, I'm using a lemon eucalyptus mix, which, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so invigorating. And I love to use it during the spring too, because I've got really bad allergies and it helps clear them up really well, especially when I'm in the shower. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add my solid coconut oil to my stand mixer and whip or mix for about 10 minutes until it's nice and whipped. And then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. So guess what, everybody? I have a special guest back in the house.
Which is
Riley. And she's gonna try the sugar scrub before I package it up, just to make sure it's okay.
Perfect.
Oh, perfect. Yes, we don't just do okay, we do perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just give you some of this. As you guys can see, it's nice and thick and rich. I love that when you whip it. And just put it in your hands like this. And you're just going to rub it all through your hands, and then I'm gonna just lift up your sleeves for you. And then just rub it all through your hands and everything. It tickles? Okay, go ahead. Back of your hand too. Want some more?
No.
You're good? Okay. So now I'm just going to wipe your hands off. Okay, tell me how it feels. How do your hands feel?
Soft.
They feel soft. That's exactly what I was going for. Yay! So you like it?
Yeah, let's get some more.
Yeah, no, I'll give you some more from here. All right, and I'm actually gonna package up your own little one that you can use. All right, everybody, we're all done. And I love the fact that Riley stopped by just to give us a little extra something on this episode. Yes?
This is the best episode too.
Oh.
It's gonna support mommy.
Oh, thank you for supporting me. Yes.
Infinity %.
Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. And I'm so glad she loved the sugar scrub. You guys will love these scrubs too, whether you do sugar scrubs or salt scrubs or whipped scrubs. Super easy, I promise you.
Any kind of scrub you want.
Yeah, any kind you want. And make sure you let us know how it goes. And make sure you subscribe too so that you can stay up to date with all of the latest here at
The Witch
Live. Until next time, take care, everybody.
We love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, what is that in your hand?
This.
Oh, you want to try the salt scrub too? Okay, hold that. Let me get you this bowl.
Of one, put water.
Yeah, this is water. And you're going to tell me which one feels better. We might as well go with this. Go ahead, rub it in. Sleeves up. Such a cute shirt. I'm going to keep it nice. Okay, let me grab the water. Okay. Okay. Oh, let me grab the towel. All right.
Thank you for my eating, though. Putting my hands in something. Which is salt.
What do you think? Which one do you like more? Oh, you like the salt scrub. Okay.
Smells like lavender.
Well, no, this is peppermint rosemary. I'm going to do some lavender for you though,
It
because
smells like lavender.
I feel like you need some lavender in your life.
It smells like lavender.
I'm glad you like it though.
Put it inside here.
Yeah. Oh, that looks cool. Yes.
I told you.
Yes, I like that. Oh, you created something new. There you go.
Bye, everybody. Give me a thumbs up.
Oh,
Give
yeah.
Mommy infinity thumbs up. Which you can't do, but give her thumbs up.
Okay, thank you.